Welcome to our news channel Excellence 17. Here we are diving into recent events and updates in CMC School Sector 17 Rohini. Here are some glimpses of recent events in the school. Student practicing for Model United Nations. Every year students participate in Model United Nation and this year they held excellent position in it. Students are representing different countries on agenda, bridging the gap in implementation to achieve SDG goal by 2030. Here, we are celebrating 79th year of independence, showcasing the culture of India through different dance forms from north to south, east to west, and covering recent victory of India, Operation Sindoor. Sports Day saw energetic participation from both students and teachers. Tribute was paid to Major Dhyan Chand, promoting sports spirit. Event supported Fit India 2025 and Ek Ghanta Maidan Mein campaign. On 25th July, our students proudly participated in the National Youth Parliament at the Civic Centre, New Delhi. Organized by YouthX Connect, the theme was One Nation, One Election, where they showcased their leadership, knowledge, and debating skills on a national platform. We congratulate them for bringing pride and inspiring for all of us with this remarkable achievement.
One nation, one election is not just a policy idea. ये लोकतंत्र को मजबूत करने का एक व्यवहारिक अवसर।
तेरे पास भीष्म है पर वो मौन है, तेरे क्रोध द्रोण पर न्याय से कौन है? जो कहे न्याय वही बना विरोधी, जो रहे मौन उसी की सुनवाई होगी। सारे साथ रहे, चलती रहे तेरी बात। पर ऐसा भी कहा गया है, काम रुकेगा तो विकास भी रुक जाएगा। The problem with frequent elections is clear. Every time the word सेवा, विकास और समर्पण values that guide our party. In 2018, political
Also, we have new admitted students of grade 9 in CMC School Sector 17 Rohini. So let's take some feedbacks from them. And our reporters are present at CMC School Sector 17 Rohini. Yes, Lakshita.
Good morning, I Lakshita here at CMC Sector 17 Rohini to take feedback from new admissions of grade 9. So what's your name? So Aditi, how is this school different from your previous school?
So, as compared to my previous school, CM Shri school is far better than my previous school because if I compare this school in studies, we also have smart boards in our classroom which help us to study and teachers teaches us each and every point with clarity so that we can get the point.
Great. What was the first impression of the campus from your perspective?
So, in my personal opinion, when I first time saw this campus, I was really amazed. My previous school didn't have that much beautiful campus, and there are so many beautiful things in the classrooms. Like we have smart boards, and if I talk about library, we also have smart boards in libraries, and there are a lot of books that we can study.
Thank you.
Can you please tell me, has this school helped you in creating new skills and expressing yourself?
Yes, of course, this school has played a significant role in skill development. Apart from academics, it has provided me with the number of skill development activities. In academics, teachers doesn't only aim to make us understand topics and make us write in notebook, but they also aim that the knowledge which we are gaining, we can implement them in the real or practical life, and they doesn't only aim for this, they keep an eye on us that we are implementing our knowledge in the real life or not, and they provide us with a well planned curriculum and on which we work a whole day. Conclusion, when we will leave the school, we are fully ready for the challenges of the life and we will definitely get the best employment opportunities. Thank you.
So hi Gaurav, what facilities like library, gym, lab, etc. do you like the most in this school?
we have library, gyms and many labs, but my favorite is library because library have e-books and audiobooks as well as it provides book lending services allowing users to borrow books and other materials to home use. Library offers group study corners and computer and internet access and a catalog system for easy researching.
There is an important announcement, especially for those who are from class 6, 7th, and 8th, who are aiming high and planning for bright future. We are pleased to inform you that CMC entrance exam is scheduled to take place on 6 September 2025. That's just a few days away. And the most awaited part, the results of the entrance exam are expected to be declared around 15 September 2025. So stay tuned with us and keep watching Excellence 17. Thank you so much.